We have created a quick video tutorial to show you how to move Comsol files into your 3D printing software and print them out. Start by importing or building a geometry, or in this case, opening the turbine stator blade model. There are two ways to export the geometry. The first is to right-click the geometry node and select Export to File. From the File Type drop-down menu, choose STL binary as the file type. Browse to a designated folder and enter the file name, then click Export. The second way to export the geometry is from the Mesh node once the mesh has already been built, using the same steps we just outlined. Once the STLs are exported, you can go into your 3D printing software and open the STL file. Go to the 3D Print tab and click Print to create a real-life version of your model geometry.